Welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm Samuel Edit. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create your own customized WhatsApp link. Like what you have to do, I'll show you the simple step on how you can create your own WhatsApp link. So what we need to do is, let's go to my Chrome browser so that I will show you guys the step-by-step process. So what you need to do is, you go to your Chrome browser. Here is my Chrome browser. Then I need to open the new tab. You come on the search bar now and search on wa.me link. So after you have searched on that, you wait for it to load. When you get something like this, you click on it. So after you have clicked on it, the surface will look like this. Create WhatsApp link. Link is the most popular WhatsApp link generator worldwide. You see. So what you need to do, you need to scroll down. You come down, you scroll down, and then you come here. Then you need to input your business WhatsApp number. Please remember, it's for business WhatsApp. So as for me, I'll need to put my own business WhatsApp number. Alright, then I'll need to put the message that will pop out when anyone click my link and it brings the person to my WhatsApp. The message: I want to learn how to generate WhatsApp link. So that is just for that. After that, you come to this generate my wa.link. Then you click here. After you have clicked here, they will take you to another process now. Alright, have you see, this is your WhatsApp short link. So what you need to do, you need to copy it. After you have copied it, let's go to my WhatsApp to check if. Alright, here is my WhatsApp. Okay, what I need to do, I need to go to another WhatsApp, or maybe, okay, or paraventure, let's go to my notepad. Okay, let's paste this top here and double click and highlight it, then click on open. Have you see, it will take you directly to your WhatsApp. It will take the person directly to his WhatsApp. Have you seen? Then once it takes the person here, have you see, then the person can now send you blah 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 blah. This is another of my WhatsApp. Then have you seen now? That's gone. Have you seen? So this is the simplest method on how you can create your WhatsApp link. Then another method is, you come to your WhatsApp. Another method is, you come to these tools here. After you have come there, then you click on this dot, this three dot. You see short link there. Click on short link. This is the short link that is given to you directly from WhatsApp. Then you can come here and copy it. You can copy it, go to another of your WhatsApp and paste it. Once you paste it, have you seen, you can click and it will take you directly to the WhatsApp. Have you seen how it is? So that's how it is. Alright guys, please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for staying true.